best. Instead of using a machine to mow it, why don't you shoot? And look at that and say, behold what I have created! You stupid idiot! And the Lambo is unleashed!
Give him a big hand, ladies and gents. Top gear already. Top gear already. I do want to check though. We never know. This is the only information. How do you think you did this thing? See, that's how well. That's the great. Are you sure you don't want to talk? Brilliant. Thank you very much. I do want to check, James. Is that a wig?
That is a wig.
It is a wig. It is a wig. Okay. It's not normal hair. It didn't look it. I didn't want to be rude. I was just looking at it going, looks like a wig that, but it could be insulting. I didn't want to insult you, okay? As soon as we get clearance, I'll be able to give you a countdown, my friends. But it's the star and the reason